In this video I will show you how to sew a blanket stitch by hand. Hide the knot between the two layers of fabric. For the first stitch, bring the needle through both layers, pass it through the loop and pull gently. Keep working in the same direction. Make a loop, pass the needle through it and pull. Keep the stitches evenly spaced and the same length. To finish, make a small knot, hide the thread between the layers and trim it. And that's all. Happy sewing!